Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to BinaryOptionsProductReview.com. This is Seb and today I'm going to be giving you a quick run of the 24option.com broker. Now, as you can see, I've just got a couple of trades on quickly. I just suddenly wanted to catch the USD at its downfall. So what I'm going to do really quickly, and we're going to explore this brokerage firm together and hopefully be able to answer any of your questions that you can leave in the comment section, or you can send us an email, info@BinaryOptionsProductReview.com. Now, obviously, 24 Option, this is the big pioneer broker. They established themselves back in 2009 and then were regulated a year later by CySEC and the FCA. Now, what you've got to understand with this broker is that they are the binary options giants. They even have television adverts, which I don't see any other binary broker currently have, and it is fantastic. You can watch them. They sometimes appear on the sports channels if you're in the UK on Sky Sports, which you've probably seen them before if you're a big football fan like me. But what we're going to be talking about, let's just get back to this and focus on this for a minute before we start talking off subject. Now, 24 Option, I don't really know where to begin. Their percentage payouts are very high, of up to 87%. They offer 110 different assets to trade on, which are just so massive. And I think the only bad thing I can say about this broker is that I wish it was just more organized, because if you look here, you've got indices, the Forex, stocks, commodities, but if you click all, they all just jumble up and pile together. But anyway, they have short term, high and low, call, put, one touch, boundary. They offer so many different forms of trading. And also, if we look here, you've got a really big guide to help you, which we would advise any new binary options trader to take advantage of. They have a guide to what are binary options, the reviews that they have. They have their global market report, which is incredibly helpful, which basically will give you a report on today's financial news, which I'm going to show you really quickly. If I go to trade, wait for my trading platform to load up. So let's go to, here we go, daily market updates. Here we go. And here you can find everything to do with today's current market, and their strategy is with every single one, so they'll recommend you to call, put. There's the evidence there to prove why they think this. Whether it's going to come in at 100% is not guaranteed, but the evidence is there to prove to you as a trader that this is why they think that is going to happen. They offer signal trading alerts, which I haven't signed up to yet personally. They have their economic calendar, which is absolutely fantastic. You guys have probably seen this on the XE Trader software as well. It is incredibly helpful. I recommend everyone to use this. It just explains that how the currency pair is being affected by certain events that are happening in the world. For example, Euro, German unemployment change. There you go. Just little things like that can help you in your trading experience. Now, what other things to say about this broker? Well, let's talk about the percentages they have to offer. Each asset has a different return percentage, okay? Now, they're not all the same. Some of them go up to even 87, but some of them can drop to as little, as you can see here, as 70. Now, this is generally because I like to find that the easier it is to read the chart, the lower the percentage it becomes. This isn't always isn't always the case, but that's just my opinion on why they do that. I don't actually have the answer. I don't work for a broker firm, so I can't give you 100% answer on that. That's just my personal opinion. Okay. Now, if we go back to the guide section a minute, here we are. There's one thing I really want to talk about, and that's their education center. They have free e-courses, which are the webinars. They have trading books. They have video lectures. They have an interactive interactive ebook. I cannot speak this morning. They even have a trading guide. So if let's click on here. Let's have a look at the free e-courses, for example. So here you can sign up to do free webinar courses. There's a timetable here. They happen more or less once or twice a week, depending. And of course, I would recommend taking up one of these once you deposit. They can be a massive help. I've personally never taken one, mainly because I don't really need to take one because I've been a trader for a while now. But what is there not to say bad about this broker? There isn't anything bad to say about it, because at the moment they officially support two global football teams. They are regulated by multiple regulation companies. They have television adverts, which you can see here. It is funny and fantastic. They are award-winning trophies, and they're real. They're not just random trophies that these softwares or other brokers can design. They are genuine. They appear on the news. 24 Option are the biggest broker out there in the industry, and I don't think I need to say to you anything more than that. This is the perfect broker to any new binary options trader. Now, I think the only bad thing I can say about this is the bonus, the fact that it's the same as any other broker. But I'm not gonna lie, it's the same as if you accept a bonus anywhere in the world. Okay, if you accept a bonus, you've got to place a certain amount of trades before you're able to withdraw. But that's the same if you go to an online casino. It's the same if you go to a broker. They're all the same. If you have a bonus, you're not going to be able to withdraw it straight away, because then the broker or the software or the business or whatever, they will lose money, of course. Okay, that's the only bad thing I can say. Their withdrawal times are 3 to 5 working days. Sometimes it can take up to 7, possibly even 9, depending if it's the weekend or if it's a holiday. Okay, but apart from that, they offer multiple language setups as well. There really isn't anything that 24 Option hasn't done. They've even opened up their new branch in London, if you just saw it back on that home screen. Okay, all their addresses, telephone numbers, their live chat support system's really good. And it looks like my trades are about to come in 3, 2, 1. They were in the green, and woo, look at that. I'm now up to £1,017.99. So I'm happy. My colleagues over on the other desk are happy. So I think it's safe to say that if you're looking for a broker, okay, that's easy to use and easy to work around, please go with 24 Option. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can access the broker. Okay, I'm not trying to tell you to go to the broker. That's just my personal opinion. Feel free, click on the link, have a look around, see what you think, get a feel of the broker. Okay, it's not going to ask you to deposit straight away. Get a feel of it. If you like it, go for it. If you don't, there's always other brokers out there in the industry as well. There's always one for everyone. But this is our top recommendation. 24 Option, can't get a better one than that. And the fact, one quick thing before I go, the charts are really easy to read. I mean, I placed those 2 trades. I didn't use any software. That was just me placing trades literally just before I started using the video. It was on the Euro USD and the GBP USD. Now, obviously, look at that. You can easily identify the trends if they're going up or down. Euro USD is really easy. I mean, if you look there, I placed a call because I noticed there was an uphill trend. I placed a call there, and look what it did. It went up into an uphill trend, and it's still going up now. The charts are really easy to use, really easy to make money. And that's going to be it from me, guys. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment your experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for further updates. And if you have any questions, email in, and I'll see you guys on the next video.